Hi guys, welcome to today's video. We are going to be unboxing some stuff here, and without further ado, welcome. Here it is. Yes, guys, let's unbox together. Oh, I need a cutting. Anything to cut. Hope you guys are seeing. Yes. Yup. Then here, this thing, the noise inside is because of that thing that I put here to connect together. Mhm. Let's press here. You guys are going to know how happy I am today. Yes, here it is. You put the cutter aside, and then you remove the paper. I can't open mine. I'm not using the two sides, you know. You can't compare it. I mean the regulator. It was the regulator that was making the noise here. This was this stuff. So this one is for putting here. And here it is. How does it look like, guys? I think it's looking good. Yes. Then I put the paper aside. And then this pipe, we're going to connect it here. Yes. Here. So that we put this in this gas. Here. You see? So, and that's the video for today. Thank you guys for watching. Consider subscribing